So guys, here's a honest review and result. GAP Vkit 16V line boiler show. This one over here, and then the TCP Global Ultimate 6 pad waffle. That's them over here. Okay, now let's go deep in the detail. Okay, before I get into it, let's go look at some result of this product. The result is right here. That's after waxing, and I did paint the whole car, so I think that product, it will be good for 2 cars, I think, because I didn't even go halfway down. I mean, this is the small old Toyota, but I did use a lot on it, and then it came out very good. So this is how the product comes in the box. The chemical guys, GPA Vkit 16V line. This is the product over here of Amazon. I bought it with my own money, so it's not sponsored by anybody, so there is no, I'm not making any money after it. So this is the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. This is that a lot of grits in it, like sand. This is very thick, and this is medium, and the other 2 over here is like kind of waxing. So I think these 2 over here, I'm not gonna waste it. I can use on any of my car to polish it and wax it. So this is a very good product right here, I mean, for me at least. So that product, it was great. So now let's go ahead with the waffling. This is the TCP Global Ultimate 6 pad waffling, and there is good and bad about this, as honest. Now first, let's start from the top. This is the disc that comes with it right here. This product, it will fit, it will be usable with this product over here, but it will be not used for other product as well. But for example, if you got this kind of sandpaper right here, Velcro in the back, it's okay. It's the right size in the middle. But if you think about using this with your Chicago waffle machine, this one over here, this will not work. The reason why, they both female, right there and right here, they both female, so you have to have an adapter. So I used the one original from Harbor Freight with this product. It's perfect. And then this product over here, it will fit this one as well. This is how the Harbor Freight disc fits on it right there, and the one comes with it, the black thing in the middle, that's the Velcro. Just like that over here. See, the white stuff, it's just hanging on the edge just to support this waffling down here. But other than that, this thing over here and that, they are the same size. So that was the first bad and good news. And from the bottom right here, this is a crappy one. This is not good. If you buy this package or this kit because of this, don't buy it, because this will go everywhere, go on your car, on your face, on your shirt, everywhere. It will come off like crazy. If you can see right now, I just do this and see, and soon as you put the wax on it, that's swinging everywhere and it's not good. So this is piece of trash. It's not good, it's not worth it. Now the good thing about this is this supposed to be the red one, but it's not red, it's like brown. So this is the red and yellow, blue, green and black. Since I got only 4 of my waxing, my polishing step, 4 steps of them, so I only used 4 of this one. So I just used the red one, yellow one, blue one and green one. I didn't use this one. I use this one for something else when I want to. So these 2, I didn't use them. That black one and this one. The black one, nothing wrong with it. It's perfect. It's just I don't have another step of this over here. And keep on going. That's step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So that's how I used mine, and it works perfect for me. Okay, I thought maybe somebody will appreciate this thing over here. This is the wear after I wax the whole car. I don't see any wear over here. It's very little. I don't see anything at all over here. Nothing. So this thing can work for two more cars, small cars, not big one. Over here, I barely can see some right here, but you can't even see it right here, right there. But other than that, I don't see anywhere. So this product, it will hold up for a lot of work. Okay, so that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. If you did like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit like. That will help me out a lot. And then don't forget to check out my other video on the right, on the left. One of those, it be one of my library. So thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye for now.